So a quarter of all Brits don't feel confident enough to express themselves when it comes to decorating and furnishing. We've been working with Savile Row tailor William Hunt to help people express their personality in their homes. So William's designed these wonderful suits using some of IKEA's most iconic fabrics.
You may have seen these fabrics in cushions, bedspreads, three-piece suites, and now you're going to see them in a three-piece suit. The world of fashion and furniture have for decades inspired each other. What we're doing here today is show how the two can work together. We create heroes out of ordinary men and women through our fashions. With IKEA fabrics, we create heroes out of everyday furniture and textiles.
People use fabric in fashion as a way to express their personality, but we want people to replicate this in their homes. If you want to become a proud owner of an IKEA and William Hunt suit, enter the competition on our website.